My name is Francisco Rodriguez Limon, and my current position here is an RVI tech. I work on motorhomes and cars and travel trailers, a little bit of everything. My day-to-day consists of either coming in on a Monday morning and having a tow bar installation, which is, preparing a vehicle to be towed behind a motorhome. Tuesday could be coming in to install a satellite on a motorhome. It changes on a daily basis. Sometimes you have a vehicle for 2 days to do the tow bar installation. It could be diagging refrigerator that's not working for a customer. We do washer dryer installs. My day-to-day is pretty much different every day. Whatever they throw at me, it's what I try to handle. What's unique about my job, it's that it's very technical. I like what I do. I like that it's different on a daily basis, so I'm not working on the same thing over and over. So you gotta have to be a doctor of RVs here. So, you gotta pinpoint to the symptom and find out what the repair is gonna be. Some of the skill sets that are required to do a job here in service, you do some welding, a craftsman, woodworking. You do have to build some of the cabinetry here, tile cutting and laying tile in some of our units, a higher class, working with wiring. A lot of us here try to work on a unit that's, we like to think of it as our own. Work cleanly, clean up after yourselves, things like that. So you have to do a little bit of everything. We used to get paid on a flat rate. That changed. Now we're hourly. And so, yeah, it is consistent. My coworkers, we do work together, try to work as a team. We do get together and put our brains to work together to solve the problem that we encountered. Well, the culture here is, a lot of times it's pretty much professional on a professional level, but it also could be fun. Everybody here is pretty much a family. We all like to think of us our second home from home.